Welcome to another Walkthrough Wednesdays.
Mercs
Cool.
Mountain.
Hey, Hannah. Hey.
Wanna
Don't pet it. Little one, here we go. Boom. Hear that? That's me getting it 3 times in a row. Oh, I cannot make that jump. Gotta try a little harder. Oh, what the heck? Look at that bat. Oh man, that is crazy. Nice. Oh, Nana misses again. Oh no, no. Definitely didn't make that. I didn't realize there was a spaceship!
Oh, I didn't. What?
We're getting ray beamed up. Oh my goodness. Go to hoops. Howdy.
It shows you how bad you are in life, too.
This is fun. This is one of my favorites to do at arcades, actually.
Yeah, me too.
Hey.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I just saw your video on YouTube. It was really cool.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Like, that's the reason I'm here, because I saw your video and I was like, I haven't been to this one yet. I have to check this out.
Addicted to Fizz Buzz over here.
Yeah, what is Fizz Buzz?
A multiple of 3, it's Fizz. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 5 is a buzz. 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. Multiples of 15 is a Fizz Buzz. I got my name on the wall because I obsessively went until 929.
Wow. Whew, 400, not bad.
There's a trick to rolling these things like super fast.
Yeah.
Hold your arms out. Bring them down.
Oh, nice.
Really, yeah, it's like the trouble.
Yeah.
With the popper.
Wait,
See?
is it a mountain where you? I just went
Yeah,
there.
you climb up it
was
to the
pretty
top
fun.
and then you enter a spaceship.
Yeah, and I fell, and I almost, and I freaked out because I fell. But then you can use a lightsaber,
Yeah.
right?
Party up so that way I can just send you the invite.
Oh, how do I do this?
Green, yellow, and red. So we got 3 green pears, we got 5 red apples, and 4 blue capes. Oh! There's an alien spaceship!
What just happened?
Oh! Did he... Oh, there's like stairs in here.
Up.
Man, Waffle, this is incredible. Hello, my alien friend. We're friends with the aliens now. We did it in 1345. Nice bowling here, not bad. Oh, DJ Oculus in the house! Nice. Simulated solar system. Oh, wow. This is cool. Yeah. We're so far away. You're like a little speck. Oh, whoa. It's like, am I at the edge? Oh, I'm off. Hey, I'm falling. Oh. Last time we checked out Clockwork Sanctum, and that was epic. This time we got to go to Diamond Rooftop. Ooh. Do we got some ping pong? Oh.
You can control these with your hands.
This is crazy. This feels so nice. What is this?
Bottle flip thing.
Oh. Yeah, apparently I'm not very good at it. Oh.
You're good.
What do we got?
There's one called whack.
I landed on one.
Trick.
What's the trick? Oh, this is kind of disorienting, actually. I'll take something dry.
I knew that would happen the minute I stood in here.
Ooh, so close. Bye, KO.
Hey!
I didn't steal them both. These were given to me.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Okay.
What are you doing in this world? My senses were tingling, and I was just like, someone has both of them in here now. I saw those bumping in here. Thought I would stop by.
Yeah, we're just sending people flying right now. There he goes.
Oh, nice. Yes, that's like, send me.
Well, this is really sweet. Great job in here. It's a nice, fun little chill hangout.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Shadell really helped level up this game. It used to be just like a
Oh,
kind
wow.
of like 1T.
101 is my high score right now. Pretty proud of that. There you go. Oh my goodness. That was a 100. Woo! Nice! Oh, that's awesome.
Then hit it.
Oh my goodness gracious, 147. Ooh, woo! I can't believe that made that.
Shit,
Wow.
you did it. Wow, that's amazing.
Worldwide.
How did you get 23,000?
That's like one of those, pool table at the bar hustles right there, where you bet somebody.
Yeah.
I bet you, I can get you more than you can on this.
Oh my gosh, we're in Ramen Boss. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to play this since day one. When I got into Horizon, I came here like one of my first worlds. And I came over here, grabbed this, and it didn't do this. Oh my gosh, it works, it works, it works, it works. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at this. I chopped it up. Let's make some ramen, my boys. Press to cook some ramen. There we go. And I don't even know what to do. I'm just so excited. We got bamboo shoots. We've got leeks. Cooking ramen. Woo! We got our first bowl of ramen, my friends. We got this. Keep it coming.
I'm chopping like a madman.
We got this, you guys. We're making so much ramen. We're making so much ramen. We just got 100 yen. That's $1 US. You guys, $1.20. Oh my goodness. If this was a real job, we'd make minimum wage. Buy ramen for, whoa, we leveled up. Upgrades. Let's do the chopping, 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 chopping. We do the chopping all day, chopping, chopping, chopping. All right, what's the next upgrade?
We got more money.
Woo! Look at all these tables! Customers, how do you like your ramen? Tasting good today? Super nice. Ooh, you guys having a nice date. Thanks for coming. Please compliment the chef. Yeah, we got the sign out front! Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Had an absolute blast. So excited we got to see Ramen Boss 2. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!